Welcome guys. In this tutorial I'm going to work with one complete house project. If you want to watch the electrical part, I have already uploaded the electrical part and the link is on the description below. So what is the content of this project? Let's see. Number one, how to import AutoCAD file and Revit. In this part you will learn how to import the AutoCAD file to Revit. Number two, setting up the level. In this part I will show you how to setting the level and create the level. Number three, creating and choosing the wall material. In this part you will learn how to create a wall with different techniques and different material. Number four, inserting the different kind of door and also how to change the material of the door. Number five, windows. Inserting and using curtain wall to create the windows and curve window. In this part I inserted the window and also I created the window by myself and also I created one curve window. Number 6, creating different type of floor. In this part you will learn how to create the floor with different techniques and also with different material. 7, creating the stair. And this part you will learn how to create stair and changing the material as well. 8, painting the wall. In this part you will learn how to paint the wall. I have already created one tutorial about this. If you want to watch that, the link is in the description below. Inserting the furniture. In this part you will learn how to insert furniture from the family. Creating the ceiling. In this part also you will learn how to create the ceiling and also how to change the material for the ceiling. 11. Creating the roof and outside decoration. In this part also you will learn how to create the roof and also how to decor some around the building. 12. Creating the site plan. In this part you will learn how to create the site plan and how to insert the trees or the car or creating the pathway. This is how you can join and communicate yourself with me. If you learn Revit and AutoCAD, you can like this page, Revit and AutoCAD Learning User on Facebook. If you learn the Alex Evo, you can join in this group, the Alex Evo Learning Group. If you need the file of each project or also the other material, you can join with me with this Telegram channel. If you need Revit file or material, you can join in this channel, Revit User Learner. If you need the AutoCAD file, you can join in this channel, AutoCAD channel. If you need the Alex Evo file, you can join in this channel. So this link are available on description below. Don't forget to subscribe the channel if you want to get more tutorial like this. Your like and comment will give me more positive energy to make more tutorial like this and better than this. Thanks for watching. So now I'm going to work on architecture in this plan. So I'm going to open the architecture template. So the first thing that I have to do that is I'm going to change the unit, type U and enter, and then from here I'm going to change the unit to centimeter because I worked the plan and AutoCAD with the centimeter unit, so that's why I change it to centimeter. So click OK and then OK, and now I'm going to insert my AutoCAD file. So from here to insert and then link cut, and this is my cut drawing, and from here there is some setting that is this the color black and white and all layer and also there's the import unit, that is centimeter, and here origin to origin, and level 1 I'm not going to change that. I'm just going to open this. Okay, and now I'm going to deactivate this click, and then now I can select, and this click, I'm going to click in this to move my plan in the center. Okay, now you move this in the center, and now pin the project, and then also deactivate the select paint element, because like this, if you select like this, you can select and it's not disturbing you. Okay, and now let's set up the elevation. I'm going to open the S elevation, and then and here I'm going to create two more level, one for the foundation and one for the structure wall. So if you bring the cursor in here, uh, it show you to start point and the end point. Okay, let's select this one, and then I'm going to give 15 centimeter for the foundation, and also 60 centimeter for the structure wall. Okay, and now it's done, and now you can see it here, you can read this. Let's select one of them, and then click in here, and then now you can set up and try to not move up or down, because the if it's moved, that the dimension will be changed. So let's bring in here, and then let's give the name as structure wall. Okay, and then again this one as well. I changed it because I want to give the name, and also if you can read carefully, foundation. Okay, and yes, and this one of course it should be ground floor. And the height of the building is 4 meters. Okay, that's the ground floor, foundation, and structure wall and roof. Okay guys, let's start. Before starting the drawing the wall, first I'm going to check the wall width. So from here go to the annotate, and then a dimension liner, and let's see how much is the width of the wall. This is 15 centimeter, and for the interior, yeah, that's 10 centimeter. Okay, now I know this wall is 15 centimeter and this one is 10 centimeter. Okay, and then let's go to architecture, and then wall, and then from here just select one of them. I'm going to select like generic 6, and then now I'm going to edit this wall. I'm going to create my own wall. So let's type exterior wall, and then from here go to edit, and here I'm going to insert more two layers. As you can see, this side is for the exterior and this is for the interior side. So let's clear the thickness of the wall. I'm going to type 13 centimeter for the wall. There is a break, and for here 0.5, and this is only the painting, and this I'm gonna 1.5 centimeter. The totally it's showing here that's the 15 centimeter. So there is I'm going to choose a brick for a structure that is 11 and 2 centimeter. I'm going to add this inside this plaster for here and outside this plaster, and it's totally take 13 centimeter and 0.5 centimeter is the paint and 1.5 for the plaster for the outside. Okay, and now I'm going to select the material for this. Let's select for the brick. From here let's search something brick, and then I'm going to select this one. So let's duplicate this and let's give the name on the brick, and then let's select this, then apply, then okay. And for the inside for the painting, just select this one, and then I'm going to create new material for this. Let's right click, rename wall paint, and then check this box, and then again go to appearance and then copy, and then from here let's go to library, and then from here inside wall paint, and then I'm going to select something white. Let's select this one, cool white, and then close this, and then apply, and okay. And now for the outside, let's select for this also. I'm going to again create new material, and then I'm going to rename. Let's type outside pane, and then check this box and appearance. Let's copy, and then from here click this and go to library, and from here I'm going to select something, yeah, this exterior white. I'm going to select this. Let's click in here and then close, and then apply, and okay. Now if you done this again, I'm going to okay, and okay. And now before starting drawing the wall, let's set up in here location line. This from wall center line, I'm going to use wall center line, and then base constraint as ground floor, and the top is I'm going to choose the roof, and I'm not going to give any offset for this. Okay, and base offset also there is 0. And now okay, let's start from here. I'm going to start from here, and then and in here. So for this part, let's use the arc start point, and then finish, and then the other part. Okay, so let's see and 3D. Okay, I think this color, the outside color is not looks good. It's like gray. Let's change the color. So let's go to the wall again, and then from here let's, or you can say basically just type in here. I'm going to use the same material, the same inside material, type enter, and then okay, apply, okay, yeah, and this is looks better. That's because my building is, the outside my building is white. Okay, this is how to create the wall for the outside. So let's create this partition again. Let's select this and then go to edit. I'm going to duplicate this again, interior wall. Okay, and then let's edit, and now I'm going to change this to 9 centimeter, and this of course to 0.5, then okay. So now let's start drawing the partition, inside partition. This is for the interior wall. Let's see. As you can see, there is the color is like a gray, like the inside, and also in here this color is like a gray that show the inside the material. So how to change this? Let's select the wall and then go to edit. From here edit, and from here I'm going to choose this boot, and then at the ends also I'm going to choose interior or exterior because this the same material. I'm going to choose interior and then okay, apply, and okay. As you can see now this change it, and also I'm going to change for the exterior wall also. As you can see now there is the color as the white, and also in here is covered by white color. Okay, this is how to create the wall and Revit.